Belo Horizonte, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and rich cultural city offering a unique combination of natural beauty and urban charm. Belo Horizonte, capital of the state of Minas Gerais, is known for its stunning scenery, hospitality of local residents, and a thriving tourist industry. The city is known for its impressive architecture, including the famous Pampul complex designed by renowned architect Oscar Niemeyer. This complex features stunning buildings such as the San Francisco Church of Assis and attracts tourists from all over the world. In general, Belo Horizonte is a tempting place for travelers looking for an authentic Brazilian flavor. The combination of natural beauty, cultural opportunities, and warm hospitality makes it a must-to-visit among the cities of Brazil.